Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are having a little day on the water today. We are kayaking up here in New York. We are on Monksville Reservoir. We did this once before, like before kids, and now kids are with Nana and Pop. And we are having fun on the water. Look how pretty it is. We are. James is practicing backing up. But we are in the middle. We came a long way. We've been doing this for like an hour and a half so far. Kind of just like relaxing in the sun for a little bit before we probably paddle back to where the car would be parked. My dad actually dropped us off because they have the trailer and everything on the back of their car, so they drove us. I'm on my phone, so I didn't bring my camera up here. Those two right there will drop it in the water. So, it's pretty relaxing. It's like the perfect day. The perfect day. No, we'll probably like go this way and go back that way. Huh? The water is like, there's like nobody here. Obviously it's a Monday, so the water is like so smooth. We just had a little snack break, so then we'll head all the way back. We're going that way.
Yeah, this is very relaxing, peaceful, and it's nice to be out on the water. It's nice having a spot like this so close to where we live, and kayaks available to us. Shout out Nana Pop.
Yep. Just been hanging out for a little while, just taking a break because we're almost on our way back, but we just wanted to kind of relax out here on the water without, you know, the fear of getting eaten by a shark. There's a line to get in. I think those people over there are waiting to get in. There's two people there that just got in, and the guy unloading, I think. That's James up there, so we're just waiting. My dad's not here yet though, so we'll just wait here a little bit longer. No problem for me. It's just so pretty here. Sure is God's country, I'll tell you that.